Yo, what's up everyone, it's Ross and I'm in quite a lot of pain, so that's all videos of it. Right, thanks for watching, make sure you subscribe, like and comment the video. No, I'm joking. Right, I was gonna do a video on showing you guys the new place, as you can see here. And I finally remembered my YouTube password, which is all good, so yeah, but I've pulled a ligament in my back and I'm in a bit of pain. But anyways, let me show you around. So I've got a photo of Paris here, as you can see. And for you guys who hate me for not doing this in a while, and if you hate me, I end up kicking the bucket. I ain't got far to go, as you can see. It's just right there, as you can see. I ain't got far to go. So yeah, just over the road. I'm joking, guys. Anyway, let me show you guys round. So, got another photo here, as you can see. Lovely bedroom and the landing, very long, very long. And in here, what's going off in here? We got a dartboard, we got a wedding present, and monkey see, monkey do. That's what's up, that's what's going on. So as you can see, it's a bit messy in here, but it's an alright place. Let me show you. So this is the bathroom. That basically looks like, well, a bathroom, as you can see, standard bathroom. And if we walk down here, oh, I'm in a bit of pain. And through here, this is the living room, as you can see. Beautiful blue sofa to give it contrast and everything. It's a bit messy in here, but you know, it is what it is. Photo of a monkey there. And there's a little archway through here, which is pretty good. And view from outside there, so it's an alright place, yeah. And as you can see here, I ain't joking. So yeah, it's just shy, don't like to be on video, so yeah. Anyways, let me show you the outside. Let's go. Right, so so as you can see out here, I'll show you guys something out here, right? So out here is where we had a pool, as you can see. A pool in the garden, which is pretty good. We put these new slabs down here, and we've got this like beautiful flowers down here, and these lights that light up at night time, and a balloon lamp here. So yeah, it's pretty alright place here, as you can see. And if I'm not overly motivated in this video, guys, it's because, like I say, I'm in a lot of pain right now, so yeah, but I've pulled a ligament in my back or something like that, but I'm very sorry for the lack of uploads. But anyways, yeah, we had a pool here, as you can see, an inflatable crocodile there in pool and that, and all that good stuff. But anyways, just want to say to you, like, I'm glad I've uploaded this video because I feel better in myself. There's been a lot of hard times recently, bad stuff happening, and yeah, basically. But I want to talk about the fact, like, life is short. Like, it feels long, but life is short, so make sure you do anything you want to do. Like, if you want to get a tattoo, get a tattoo. Don't let anyone dwell your life out. If you want to do something, you do it. You want a tattoo, go get a tattoo. You want to travel the world, you go travel the world. You want to drive to the beach at 3 AM at night time, you do that. And if you want to sing your heart out to Whitney Houston or whatever at 3 AM in kitchen, also you do that. So yeah, but yeah, that was basically it. That's the video. So I know it's a bit dull, but yeah, I'm glad I've uploaded something. And on that note, that was it. So I'm just going to go back in bedroom where we're going to end the video. So yeah, so thank you everyone for always being patient and always showing support. And yeah, we're going to go end this, so let's go. Alright. walking up Mount Everest up here, guys, honestly. Right, so yeah, that's basically the place, as you can see. So yeah, it's alright here, but I've been in a lot of pain, and that's why I haven't been myself, and that's why I haven't been uploading really, guys. And like I say, I've had a lot of bad news, but as I say, don't let anyone draw your life. If you want a tattoo, you get a tattoo. If you want to travel the world, you travel the world. If you want to drive to the beach at 3 AM, you go do that. Don't let anyone tell you what to do. And there's only one you, so you're very important. So look after yourself, because your health is the most important part over anything. So yeah. So So yeah, like I say, when I showed you that picture downstairs, I am married now, but she doesn't like to be on camera. But yeah, so yeah, she doesn't do this thing, but yeah. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and yeah, so I appreciate you all, as always. We are currently at 143 subscribers, which is mad, and yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys go, and I'm glad I've uploaded this one for you. So you all take care, have a beautiful day, and I'll upload more soon when I feel better in myself and in general. But thanks for watching, I appreciate you. I know I get viewers from all over the world, which is great, and people who know me personally in real life as well. So yeah, it's great, because everyone knows I've got a channel now. So everyone, and the great grandma and the great grandmother, knows I've got a YouTube channel. So yeah, but anyways, thank you all for watching. You all take care. You all have a beautiful day. Do something you enjoy. So yeah, guys, I'm sorry for the lack of motivation in the video today. I'm just in a lot of pain, so please bear with me. But anyways, I wanted to be motivated doing this video, but there's been non-stop trips to the hospital back and forth, and I've been to the minor injuries because I've pulled a ligament in my back, so I'm in a bit of pain due to family personal reasons, which I'm not going to discuss. So yeah, there's been all sorts going on, and I really wanted to to upload this video for you, but I really want to upload when I feel better in myself, and when I don't like uploading until I'm fully myself, as you guys know. But I appreciate all the support as always, and I really want to do this, and all you guys making that dream come true. So thank you for the support. I'm sorry I couldn't be very motivated in this video that you've watched, but I'll get better, and I will upload more. And yeah, so thanks for watching. You all have a beautiful day. You all take care. And to be honest, I don't really want to upload this. I want to record the whole video again, because I'm getting my motivation now, but I know I can't, and I've let you down. But I guess sometimes you just have to see the real world, that it's all off camera and on camera. It's not all life in all sunshines and rainbows. Like, I think I'm just depressed, to be honest, and that is that. Because obviously I'm recording this so you guys support me. You want to see my life, or you want me to document my life and follow along the journey. So yeah, but I just can't find full motivation right now due to the fact with everything that's happened. But another time, which will be good for you guys to see. And yeah, so you all take care. I appreciate you for watching. But anyways, if you like this video, guys, make sure you smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. And I'm in pain, as you know, but I'm very sorry. But if I could do this video again, I'll be much more motivated in myself. I've just lost myself, and that's all I can say really. But thanks for watching. I appreciate you. And like I say, guys, life is short, so if you want to net that pint, net that pint. If you want to travel the world, go travel the world now. If you want a tattoo, you could get a tattoo right now. If you want to drive to the beach at 3 AM, go do that. And if you want to sing your heart out to Whitney Houston in the kitchen at 3 AM, you'll go do that and just be happy and smile more. So yeah. Well now guys, to end this video on a more positive note, thank you all for watching. You all take care. I appreciate you all. You all have a beautiful day. Peace.